Waskin. I'm gonna tell you about my learnings about our topic Annex 5 and Annex 6. So, Annex 5. Let's start from Annex 5 first. So, Annex 5 of the Marpol Convention. It aims to eliminate and reduce the amount of garbage being dumped into the sea from the ships. So, its term includes all kinds of food, domestic, and operational waste that are likely to be disposed of during the normal operation of the ship. So, first is the Mediterranean Sea, the Baltic Sea, the Black Sea, the Red Sea, the Gulf Sea, the North Sea, the wider Caribbean region, and the Antarctic Sea. So, these are which have particular problems because of heavy maritime traffic of low water, exchange caused by landlocked nature of the sea concern. So, ships' garbage from ships can be just as deadly to marine life as oil or chemicals. Although many items can be degraded by the sea, the process can take more than a few months or years. For example, a plastic bottle can take centuries to dissolve at sea. Hi, I'm here again to discuss about Marpol Annex 6. So, my learnings about Annex 6 is Annex 6 of the Marpol Treaty is the main international treaty addressing to air pollution prevention requirements from ships. So, it was implemented in the United States through the Act of Prevention Pollution from Ships 1901 to 1905. So, limits on NOx emissions from marine diesel engines with a output of more than 130 kilowatts. So the standards apply to both main propulsion and auxiliary engines and required that the engines to be operated in conformance with Annex 6. NOx emissions limits. So, limits on the sulfur content of marine fuels, ship owner, and operators of vessel heading to ports in the United States that are unable to purchase compliant fuel oil may satisfy the Marpol Annex 6 Regulation 18 2.4 requirements to notify the competent authority of the relevant port of destination by notifying the cognizant U.S. Coast Guard Captain of the Port or COPP. So, this is effective on June 30, 2019. So, the U.S. Environment Protection Agency will stop accepting fuel oils. Non-availability reports and the fund portal will be closed on January 16, 2015, or let's call this EPA release, a penalty policy for violations of the sulfur in fuel standard and related provisions for ships. This action reinforced the agency commitment to pursue violations in the U.S. and international air pollution requirements by ships by operating in the North American and U.S. Caribbean Sea emission control areas. So, ocean-going vessels emit significant pollution that not only affect propulsion living near ports and coastlines, but also those living hundreds of miles in island. So, marine diesel engines generate significant emissions of NOx, fine particulate matter, and sulfur oxide. So let's call this or SOX that contribute to non-attainment of the national ambient air quality standards for PM 2.5 and O2. That's all. Thank you.